Hello, today I'm gonna open Sofia the first chocolate surprise eggs. So, got them from United States. Box looks like this. It came it came very well packed, so I like it. And here is 6 eggs. So let's see what is inside. Oh wow. Beautiful. And this what you can get. Let's take another one. I have 6 eggs in a box. Yay, I have Sofia. Ooh. So you have to fix it too. Another egg. Another Sofia. So let's see. Easy to fix, and she's absolutely the same as previous one, I guess. Yep. Eggs doesn't look good because I guess they melted just a little bit, but we're interested what is inside. Like this chocolate. Okay, let's see. You see, you can see it from here. You don't need even open it. It's another fairy. So I have 2 right now. And the last one. So from 6 eggs I got 3 doubles. So I have these ones. And my favorite. I have daughter, her name is Sofia, so she is 5 months old. Thank you for watching.